Happy morning, children. We will start with practice at 6.1, fifth question. Very interesting one. Samira spent 90% of her income. See now, Samira is also spending 90% of her income. Like the first question we did here, Alka also spent 90% of her income. Okay. Now, here also she is also spent. But now, what is the very nice point given here is that she is spending 90% on her income, but she is donating 3% for socially useful causes. See, that is the plus for her. That she not only everyone is spending for their own self and for their family, but very few people are donating for socially useful causes. This is the difference between many people and very few people. For socially useful causes, very few people are spending. If she left with rupees 1750, now she left with, now again you have to understand, left with means what? Saved. See here, word given is save rupees 120, and the third sum when we did, the word given was balance was there. Now what did the, see here only wordings difference should be understood. If she left with, if she is left with rupees 1750, what that means? That is balance, that is saving at the end of the month. What was her actual income? So whatever sums we have done, see, the same type of question it is. But only thing here you have to understand is that, okay, spending 90%, and this 3% also you have to add for it. So 90 plus 3, that is 93% she is spending. Okay, and savings is 1750. So you don't know the monthly income, we will write it as, say, Q, P, M, any letter we will use, and we will solve this example. Okay, so we will start with, so here I have written, let Samira's monthly income be rupees M. She spent 90% of her income and donated 3%. So that donated also comes in spent only. So 90 she spent 90% plus 3%, that is 93% of her income. And so 93% will come as your expenditure or expenses. Any word can be used. Now I explained you, we wrote the formula. Now here the word what is being given, I told you all. Oh, she was left with the, right? So that left with the is nothing but your saving. So you will have, see, so we will write the formula. Saving is, savings is equal to income minus whatever income minus expenditure. Your vocabulary should improve, new words you should learn. So what is the savings? Savings is 1750, and income is what? We have taken it as M, minus expenditure is what? 93% of our income. So now here I didn't write that. 93% of our income means what? 93% of M. Okay, that I did not write, but you can understand. 93% of our income is nothing but 93 upon 100 M. M is the income, no? So like this we can write. So M minus 93 upon 100 M. Now same method. Now here in the calculation part you should know properly. Now I will explain you the other way around. Earlier how we did, now what I'll do, I will remove this 100. Now to remove this 100, what we have to do? Multiply both the sides by 100. So if I multiply both the sides by 100, my calculation will become little easier. 1750 into 100 is equal to M into 100 minus 93M upon 100 into 100. Multiply both the sides by 100. So this 100 cancel. So what you will get? This calculation I hope you know. Minus 93M. Now Again, while doing the calculation, you have to be very careful. 1,75,000 is equal to, now 100 m minus 93 m is 7 m. So 7 m, 7 you have to take it to LHS, you have to divide it. Now you have to do division by 7. So here 7 2s are 14. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So here it will be 3 will remain. So you will get 7 5s are 35 and these 3 zeros. So what you are getting the answer? 25,000 is equal to M. So what is this M? M is nothing but salary, monthly income. Therefore, Samira's monthly income is rupees 25,000. This way you have to solve this example.